Welcome to my channel David Tech. In this tutorial I will show you how to hack your electric scooter Xiaomi M365 Pro. If you have the latest version and you just bought the scooter and this version of the firmware, the 1.6.8, don't you worry. After this tutorial you will be able to download and create your own custom firmware and unlock the maximum speed for the scooter. I hope you like the video. No more talking, let's go! First I will open the Xiaomi official app. I will show you how to upgrade with the official version. Yeah, now we detect that we need an upgrade. Click on cancel. I want to show you the actual version that I have, 1.5.5. Go to upgrade firmware. Click OK. Now it's done. As you can see, it's not asking for upgrade anymore. I will show you the exact version that I'm running now, which is the latest one. I will open the Down-G app. I will connect to the scooter and I will show you, clicking on check version, that we have the BLE110 and the latest software 1.6.8. So first of all I will downgrade the BLE. In order to do that I will go to this website, go to this tab, BLE Archivos STL, I go to the BLE section, and then I will have two for the Pro, the BLE074 update 2 and the 90. The 90 is official BLE and the 074 is a custom one created for Camilo. With the 074 you won't be able to connect with the Xiaomi app. So we click on flash and the process will start. Now, please don't panic. This is an error, but it's normal. You just connect the scooter again, check the version and see if we have the new BLE. As you see, the version 90. Now let's introduce the new firmware, custom firmware. So in order to create the custom firmware, we can go to the same website. The only problem that is in Spanish, Russian and French. So I will give you another option. Just open any tab and go to the next website. I will give you the link down there. In this website, you can see you only can choose the firmware 1.5.5. That's okay. For the software that we are going to use, we need a zip file. And in this case, I only going to unlock the maximum speed. The rest of parameters, I will show you how to do it in the next video and explain what you can do, what you can modify, and what is the consequence when you change some values here. Changing the speed in the drive mode too. And if you go down, you will see the patch button that will generate the firmware for you. You only need to download this firmware, and when it's downloaded, you go back to your app and click on this firmware. Click flash bin, the process will start. Now it's done, you can check version and see if everything works. Yep. We have the version 1.5.5, our custom version. Let's go to the M365 tools and see that we have the version that we wanted, the BLE2, and we will go back to the Xiaomi official app. We will be prompted now with an upgrade. As you can see, you just hit cancel, check the version, and we have the 1.5.5. As you see, this video shows in a very simple way how to do it. I hope you like it. And in the next tutorial I will try to show you how to create your own firmware, modifying all the values that will allow you to have your very own custom firmware for the scooter. Please subscribe if you like the video and don't forget to ring the bell so you will have notification for my next video. Thank you very much. See you.